Exciting news from VP Instruments. We are proud to introduce VPVision 8.1, the ultimate real-time energy monitoring solution that's faster, smarter, and more powerful than ever. With up to 40% faster data processing, VPVision 8.1 sets a new benchmark for tracking factory utilities, compressed air, power, gas, steam, water, and more in real time. Unlock the power of high-resolution, second-level data. Get in-depth insights into your compressed air and gas systems, giving you direct access for actionable improvements. No more bulky database exports. Now, data is written directly to CSV files in real time, giving you full control over time intervals, data averaging, and formatting. Introducing the if processor element in KPIs, enabling advanced calculations like converting compressor amperage into flow output and creating customized performance indicators for real-time decision-making. VP Vision empowers you to track energy consumption, spot inefficiencies, and make data-driven decisions that save costs and prevent unexpected downtime. Take control of your energy management today and request a free demo.